Well, this is Laverton. This is the Laverton Visitor Information Centre. Just over there, we've got the post office. Next door to it, we've got a brand new supermarket. We've got the Aboriginal Cultural Centre just around the corner, and just a bit further on than that, we've got the Laverton pub. It's called the Desert Sands or something. Now, inside here is a display called the Great Beyond. So, let's go and have a good coffee and have a look at the Great Beyond. Let's go.
Hey Ernie, want a great coffee?
I do. I'll have a double mac, what do you call them? Cappuccino, latte with soy milk. No, I won't. No, I won't. I'll just have a great coffee.
Good choice.
Okay, inside the Great Beyond, it's an amazing display. Holograms, you'll love it. Now, there's a good story about John Forrest and Tommy Windich. Tommy Windich was actually John Forrest's Aboriginal guide. Now these guys were tough and they knew what they were about. Now, Laverton is actually named after Dr. Charles Laver, hence Laverton. All right, imagine if he liked Ville, then it would be Laverville. All right, me and me mate are gonna go in and have a look at this great display. Cheers, come on. Okay, now, I know you can't really see that because it's just bright in this dark setting, but this is Tommy Windich. This is the Aboriginal guide, obviously an amazing guy. Now, this guy is John Forrest. Looks like he was in the army at some stage. Again, you can't see it too well, but we'll go in and we'll keep going. Now, this display is all about Edith. Edith was actually Charles's wife. Now, we've got a beautiful set here of, you know, the old-fashioned, what's we'll call it, brush sets. Absolutely amazing. She was obviously a very tough lady. Not only did she come out here in like the early 1900s, but she was also married to Dr. Laver, don't forget, and he got gold fever. Oh yeah, gold fever. Now this is a historical actual treasure, I think. It's a shaker table. I won't do that too much. Now they put the larger pieces on here and it would sift through, right, the bigger pieces fall out. And exactly the same happened down the bottom. If you can see that, it's actually got ridges and the bigger pieces would fall out down the bottom. Obviously gold being the heavier would stay there. Absolutely amazing. I think this is a historical treasure. Anyway, let's get going. Other than gold, nickel and RM Williams, there was sandalwood. And the amount of wood around here was probably used for building and for firewood, obviously, but also sandalwood is also a bit of a treasure. Now, the last time we were here in September, October 2025, we met a group of Aboriginal fellas who were actually still actively running around collecting sandalwood. So it could be, so they could extract the oils. Amazing. So it's just not gold and nickel, but wood. Now, the friendly crew here at the Visitor Information Centre can help sort out your permits, whether you're heading into Aboriginal lands, both here in WA and NT. So why not stop for a bit, take a breather, as we have a great coffee, as we have, and you can start planning your, what is it? The longest shortcut in the world, I reckon. That's what I'm going to call it anyway. So, come and see us, come and join us for a great coffee, great stories, and start an unforgettable journey. Laverton WA.